Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush without feeling rushed. The game is designed for thoughtful play, not speed. By understanding the core mechanics and focusing on strategic moves, you can enjoy each level at your own pace. We'll cover how to identify and create special candies, which are crucial for clearing the board efficiently. This approach helps you achieve objectives calmly, making every move count towards your success. Every Candy Crush level presents a unique challenge, and understanding its objective is your first step to success. Some levels require you to clear all the jelly, while others ask you to collect specific ingredients like cherries or hazelnuts. You might also need to achieve a target score within a limited number of moves. By knowing your goal from the start, you can plan your strategy effectively and avoid wasting precious moves, ensuring a calm and focused gameplay experience. Special candies are your best friends for clearing the board efficiently. Match 4 candies in a row to create a striped candy, which clears an entire row or column. If you match 5 candies in a row, you'll get a powerful color bomb, capable of clearing all candies of a chosen color. An L or T-shape match creates a wrapped candy, which explodes twice in a 3x3 area. Combining these special candies unleashes even more spectacular and effective clearing power. Playing Candy Crush without a time limit means taking your time to plan. Before making any match, look several moves ahead to anticipate potential combinations and cascades. Always prioritize clearing blockers like chocolate or licorice and focus on your level's main objective. There's no rush, so carefully consider all your options to find the most impactful move. Remember to use your boosters strategically on particularly challenging levels to help you achieve victory with thoughtful precision.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.